Hello, welcome back to Little Lock Picker. Today we're going to be picking the Master Lock 140. This one is a lot harder than my previous video, which I picked the Covert Instruments practice lock, and I'm going to be using the Covert Instruments lock picking tools. I'm going to get single picker and maybe this just for the start. So with this Master Lock, you need to, turning tool, you need to push down the fourth pin, third pin. They both make a sound. The second pin doesn't, and the first pin does. So for right now, you want to put the tiny side all the way in. I do about 2 just to loosen up the pins. Then I go in with this. And you wanna kind of feel around 2 pins of the back one, the fourth one. Then you want a third one, second one, and the first one. And got the keys in there. That was my fastest time ever picking this lock. And that is how you pick the Master Lock 140.